Hi, grade 3. I'm Miss Ivan Sayed from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today, this video for Emirati syllabus, grade 3. But before I will go to review the last review before your exam test, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our review today. Today, I will make a quick review on grade 3 Emirati syllabus. Here is the kind of question that we will be in your exam test. Here we have SETI. Which one is SETI here? Here is we have words and we have pictures related to this word. Here we have here SETI. We have here classroom, library, computer, book, difficult, easy, interesting, different. Different means not the same. Home and so on. Let's go to answer the questions. Let's go to answer the questions. This question, okay? Here we have SETI. Which one is SETI here? Can you answer with me? Where is the SETI here? Which one is SETI? This one. So I select SETI by this picture. Next one, it will be here classroom. Which one classroom? This one by this one. This by this one. Here is library. Which one is library? This one by this one. Library. Book. Which one is book? This book by this book. Difficult. Which one is difficult here? Difficult. This boy feels that have a complicated things in our subject or our topics. This one. Easy. Which one is easy? Easy. Which one is easy? This one. So I select this one by this button. This one. This is easy. So I select this one by this one. Interesting. This one by this one. Different. This one by this one. Home. Which one is home here? Home. Which one is home? The last one is the last picture here is home. The first picture here, it will be here home. This is the first picture. Okay. Where is home here? No, your home is here. Here, home is here. Not it's the animal. The first one is animal. So the home here in this one. So we answered the first question. Let's go to part B in this exam. So the exam consists of part 1A, part 1B, part 2A, and I think part 2A, part 3, and then we have part 3. So here we have three parts in four parts in the exam. The fourth one, it would be writing about you have topics and writing about it. Okay, let's continue the topic here. So here I answer this first one that I answer. Let's go to the next question. Here would be I face happy when I play with my sisters. So here I talk about my emotions. Emotions. When we talk about emotions, this is related to what feel. It relates to feelings. So I will here select I. It will be here I feel happy. It will be here I feel happy. Next one. My space hurts. My head. So here he hit the ball by his head. So the head hurts when they hit the ball. Okay, so my head hurts. I love to wear my school uniform. This is school uniform. Let's go to another one here. So here we have school uniform, head, and here is field. Let's go to continue the rest of the question. Here we have I go to the dentist. Dentist, the one who treats our teeth when I have toothache. So I select this one. I wear space clothes when it snows. I wear warm clothes. It will be here warm clothes. Let's go to another one here. Here is a comprehension, and we have a question to answer this question. I would like to say something in grade 6 for all grades that I taught him that. Have something in comprehension. Comprehension is the easiest question. It's okay, but we must read very well before you answer. Why? Because we have something is beyond the meaning, so we must read it very well to answer the question the correct way. On Sunday, we went to the beach. We drove by car. We drove by car. We turned right at the first stop sign. We passed Yes Mall. I think it's the name of mall on the left. There was a beautiful park that had huge slides next to the mall. After playing at the beach, we went to the supermarket to buy some food. Here we say on the space we went to the beach. On the space it will be here on what on Sunday. So I select Sunday here. So it will be here Sunday. We went by, as we know here, by what? By car. We passed الجديد mall on our left. So I select this one. After the beach, we went to here what? We went to the supermarket. It will be here supermarket. I put here supermarket. On Sunday we when we go to the space, I'm happy. When we go to space, I'm happy. Here is we say when we go to what? I'm happy. When we go to what? Here is we have supermarket. When we go to on Sunday, when we go to the beach, it will be here the beach. So here we have on, it will be here on Sunday. We went by car. We passed in our left. It will be this one. After the beach, we went to the supermarket. On Sunday, when we go to the space, I'm happy. When we go to the beach, it will be here when we go to the beach. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, my name is Faris. I'm 9 years old. I'm from UAE. UAE is the abbreviation of United Arab Emirates. Okay, and when we want to make United States of America, it will be USA is the United States of America. This is the abbreviation of countries. Okay, here our states. You would like to say states, not countries. My name is Faris. I'm 9 years old. I'm from the United Arab Emirates. This is the abbreviation of United Arab Emirates. I'm always kind to my friends. My favorite sport is football. My favorite animal is a camel. I travel by bus to school. It takes me 30 minutes to get to school. After school, my driver picks me up with the car and takes me home. How old is Faris here? As we know here, it's 9. Where is Faris from? Here we say, here when we ask about where, I ask about the place or the state that Faris from. From what? From United Arab Emirates. What's favorite sport? It will be here football. So I select this one. What is I think football is the famous sport for all people all over the world. All over the world, like football. Okay. What is the favorite animal here? It will be here camel. How long? Here is not how. Must be how long, not who long. How long does it take Faris to get to school? To get to school. It will be here. Have a mistake here. It will be how long, not who long. It will be here 30 minutes. Okay, this is a misprinting here. Let's go to another one here. I answer one of them, and I will leave the two sentences to do it by yourself. We say I live in apartment. I live in apartment. I live. Here is say I live in a big in a big apartment. In a big apartment. I live in a big apartment. I live in with my family. My apartment is my apartment. My apartment. You say here my apartment consists of my apartment. My apartment consists of living room. Here is to say here living room. Living room. Living room. Bathroom. classroom, kitchen. I write some of them and you can continue the rest, okay? Kitchen and so on. So here, and I have big balcony in my bedroom. We have a big balcony. We can describe the apartment that you live in. Here we say downstairs their garden. So here we talk about the own home. Okay, I live in a big home. I live in a big home in or a separated home. Okay, a separated home. Separated home with a garden. Separated home with a garden. The home rounded by the garden. The home rounded by the garden. The home, here we say here the home rounded by the garden. The home rounded by the garden. Rounded by garden. Rounded by garden. By garden. We can say also that we plant many different groups in rounded by garden. By garden here we say here I planed many kinds of I planed many kinds of groups in this garden. I planed many kinds of groups, kinds of groups in this garden. In this garden, okay. In different kinds of groups in this garden, okay, in this. And they put full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, you say here I live in a big home surrounded by a garden. I plant many kinds of groups in this garden. The garden is very big and so on. Can write more about this topic. Okay, let's go to another item here. We'll go to the next item. I think this is the last one. Okay, this is the last question. Okay. This is the last question. By this item, we end from our video today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video, and best of luck for you in your exam test. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.